Hey everybody, Dave Williamson, the Toy Car Collector. Welcome to my channel where I mainly collect redline Hot Wheels from the 1960s and 70s, Matchbox, Johnny Lightnings, all kinds of different toy cars. Plus I also love trains. Now this video is about a train collection I recently bought off of eBay. I'm going to share that with you after some information I'm going to give you right now, some very important information, and that information is about how to store your trains. Now, it would be nice if you could just put everything in display cases like this, but this is like the last place in my house that had room for a display case. Right here in the laundry room, behind the wall, door, behind the door. And one thing about trains and train collectors is we like to keep them all out. We like to keep all our trains within easy reach. And I have created a storage system that I'd like to share with you right now. All right, by now you should all be familiar with banker boxes. Banker boxes are available in like a 10-pack. And you can shop around online, Kmart and whatnot. I'll leave a link below for the best price I can find on banker boxes. And what you can do with a banker box, they come flat. You open them up like that and put them together. But you don't have to leave them in this size, this depth. You can cut them off to any depth. That's what these are, banker boxes. Here's a half-size banker box. Here's a quarter-size bank box. It's actually a little smaller than a bank box. And you can store just about anything in these things. I've got Matchbox like this. I've got... Sometimes I just put junk in there that's unsorted, boom, like that. And then all of these things have different items in it. Here's what I've done for trains, for my train cars. I've gone with the 2-inch box, which is the size of a metal ruler. This kind of metal ruler to cut off with the razor blade knife. Very easy to do. And then I open it up. And I cut little dividers. Look at that. I cut nice little dividers. Now I tried to make the kind that actually go together with the little slots, but I've given up on that idea. So what I've done here is I've just made flexible dividers. You just put them in between the trains, put one in the middle, and away we go. Now you can just open up the box and you can see all the different train cars you have. That way you can sort them around and move them around, lay them all out on a table and move them around and organize them, whatnot. So that is how I store many things, including HO trains. Now let's take a look at the cars I just bought on eBay. Hey everybody, Dave Williamson, Toy Car Collector here. Look at that, Matchbox! Oh my god, so cool. Matchbox, so cool. Hot Wheels, oh my gosh, so cool. And you know what else is cool? Trains. Oh yes, I just got into collecting trains a little bit last year, and I don't really have a big track. I got this little track going around my little room, and I make things go around it once in a while. But I think I mostly just like buying things, like that train over there, and those two over there, a couple of boxes there. And I got this box of stuff off of eBay last week. I'm constantly looking around eBay for stuff to buy, and not too much to buy in Hot Wheels. They're just either they're crappy or they're just way overpriced. So I got every once in a while I find some Matchbox. No, I don't buy any Matchbox on there. What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. I just want to open this box and see what's inside. It was just a whole lot of different stuff, and I'm going to put you on the tripod here, and let's see what's in this box. All right, so let's check out what's in this box. You know, I just looked at the ad and I thought, hey, you know, that looks pretty interesting. A lot of miscellaneous stuff. I love miscellaneous stuff. I just love it. It's like going to somebody's house and buying a big box of hoo-ha and whatnot. So let's see what's in this box. All kinds of different stuff. Let's see here. Ooh, this is heavy. A Burlington Northern refrigerator car. Wow, look at that. What is this? You know what? This is a track cleaner. Yep, that's a track cleaner. That's right. All right. You just pull that around the track and it cleans for you. Very nice. Very cool. I didn't even notice that. This is old too, I think. Yeah, that looks old to me. Roco 47900. That is old. All right. Here's one thing I really like. I love roundhouse kits. Why? Because they're only about $5, $4, $5, $6 at the train shop. You put together a roundhouse kit and you throw on some metal wheels and Katie couplers and you're good to go. This one's already put together. Very cute, kind of the short version of. They've got short ones, they got medium ones, they got long ones. This is a shorty, covered hopper, Rock Island. That's very cool. Very cool. I think there's some engines in here as well. What is this? Look at that. What's a Walters box? All right. Let's see what's in there. Oh, a big long one. This is a big 50-footer. What is that? Chattahoochee Industrial Railroad. I don't know what all is in there. There's some trim. This one hasn't been completely finished, it looks like. So there's some trim to put on that one. Never get around to that probably. What's this? Trainmaster, 1991. This is a long one, 50 foot. Looks like a, what is that called? A covered hopper, I think, something like that. I haven't really memorized all the details about train stuff. I just know that some of the stuff is really pretty, and I want it. I want it. What's in here? Athearn. Oh my lord. Look at the size of that thing. Holy smokes. I don't even know what to say about that. It's gigantic. Gigantic. Wow. I know nothing about that. That's an 85-foot car in real life. 85 feet. Well, I don't know anything about 85-footers. Another, and this one is an Athearn 50-foot box car of some sort. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in the box. I hope I got my money's worth. I think the whole thing was like 160 bucks or something. Probably not worth it. There we go. That's a nice little Southern boxcar, or yeah, boxcar. I got a lot of boxcars around here. One of these days I'm planning to have a big old train layout. Nothing fancy, just probably just all going through the desert or something. Oh, there's a little tiny chassis. These little plastic ones aren't really good for anything. I put them in my antique mall for $2. Another Walthers. What's in here? Oh my word, look at that. An uncompleted trailer train. Whew. Wow. That's pretty cool. That is pretty darn cool. This looks like a bunch of stuff I would look at my train shop that has all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. Another Walthers here. Oh, look at that. That's got incomplete, non-complete, not complete. Doesn't have the weight in it yet. Brock's Candies, Brock's Camrys, B-R-A. That needs to be finished. Interesting box, oversized box. Why is that box so big? Did it really come in that? Yes, it did. Air slide, single bay, covered hopper. Okay. All right, onto the floor, and the mess is starting up. Looks like there's a lot of long stuff in here. Oh my gosh, Pillsbury. Long stuff. I don't even like the long stuff. Honestly, if I had to be completely honest, I like the shorter stuff. This feels like a train engine here. I like train engines. I hope it runs. SF. It's an SF train engine. It will probably run. I'm guessing it probably does run. Maybe we'll throw it on the track and see if it takes off. We should do that. We should do that. I think there's a couple of engines in here, but I'm not holding out too much hope. Maybe there's a small one or something. And here we got oh, look at that. A nice looking tank car. A very nice looking tank car. I think I can work with that one. I could work with that. And what do we got here? Uh-oh, we are down to the bottom already. Ooh. And we've got a Carnation Milk. Irradiated. Oh, that's nice. I don't think they would put that on the train car these days. And all the parts. This one hasn't been put together yet. It's a kit. It is a kit. Carnation Reaper. It's an original. I wish I knew exactly when they made all these things. I got a bunch. I got maybe like 200 of those things. Oh, look at that. There is like 8 more pieces in here. Rail Runner Custom Cars. What? I wonder what that means. Look at that. Oh, a little C&O caboose. It's a caboose and it's already put together. That's always good. Caboose. I'll put that in my antique mall for sale, I think. Try to get some train stuff moving. Oh, look at that. I like these little small carts. And this one's nice. Oh, this one's been set up nice. It's got the KD connectors on it. The little clampy ones. As opposed to the horn hooks. I do know that term. I know that term. I'm making a huge mess. I do that a lot. Oh, look at that. Conrail. Little blue caboose. Blue caboose. There it is. There it is. All right. Come on. There's got to be another engine in here somewhere. Here it is. A little shunter. A diesel shunter. These are the guys that run around the train yard picking up things and putting them away. Am I even... You know, I don't even know if I'm even showing these in the camera. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking down at the stuff. I hope I was showing them. All right. What a mess I'm making here. Oh, here's another boxcar. Southern. All right. Very good. These things are worth about $5 a piece. I think I might have spent too much on this box of stuff. Oh, well. It's fun. It's fun. What's this? Oh, cookie box. Bakery goods. You know, I don't even like these ones that have, like, you know, decorative things on them. That's going to have to go out the door. Get down in there. What is this? C&S Reefer Overland Models. Overland Models. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is a complete kit. Oh dear. Complete kit. Oh, this looks like a fancy one. Oh, got metal wheels. Very nice. Got a weight in there. Ooh, look at all the parts. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I've tried to put a couple of these together. It works out all right. I don't have a lot of time for this kind of nonsense though. But I'll probably give it a shot. Depending, I guess you have to put your own decals on and stuff. Wow, look at all the trim, the potential for decorative stuff. You know, if you get one that's already decorated like that from the factory, those things are like 40 to 60 bucks. That's pretty cool. Overland models. I'll have to look that up. I'll be learning a few things out of this box. If I don't get my money's worth, at least I got some lessons. 36-foot billboard reefer. Coors. Ooh, okay. I like that idea. Oh, look at that. Now here's one that looks like it's put together. Well, that's coming apart, I should say. Coming apart. Look at all the parts. There's still parts down in there. Yeah, look at those little wires they put in there. Pretty neat. Little cores. Actually, that one's not too bad. That'll go good with my old-timey stuff. Old-timey train. Oh, I see. They put the wires in there and then they stick them in. There's all kinds of interesting things to learn with these trains. I've got 3 old-timey trains or more. I can't keep track. Now look at the chaos that this has caused. Oh my gosh. My whole room is in a mess and I don't have time to pick it up. I don't have time to pick it up. Let's go over here and check out the old-timies. Yeah, look at that. What's that say? Military Railroad. This one is, what does that say? I can't tell. Pretty cute. And this little red one. And that Denver and Rio Grande coach. Pretty cool. All right, let's go down here now and see. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if we're plugged in. I can't even find my train controller. It's down here on the floor. Get out of the way. There it is. There it is. All right, here we go. Let's get this out. All right, I'm going to get it out of the box. Let's see how we do it. We'll just take this out and this out. The little parts, try not to break anything more than it's already broken. Looks like it's in good shape. All right. Got the little thing here to put the train on the track. You just roll it in right there. Let's see what happens. Turn on the power, Dave. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, move, move. It is moving. It is moving. Looks like maybe it hasn't been run for a while. My other train's coming around the track there. Ah, there it is. Santa Fe. Coming around the mountain. When she comes, it's going to catch up. It's going to catch up. It's going to be trouble. It's going to be trouble. Oh, my mountain's not even in place right now. Here it comes. Here it comes. Are they going to crash? Is it going to crash in? The other one's going to push it around. There she is. She made her around. She made her. All right, well, better shut her down. Oh, she's keeping up now. All right. Better shut her down. Whoa. Okay. Let's just shut down that operation. All right, thanks for joining me on this video. Stuff I got from... Did I say Amazon? I meant eBay. I think I might have said Amazon. For crying out loud. Got all this junk. Probably paid too much. Oh well, that was fun. Thanks for joining me, and you guys have a great day. Be sure to watch some of my other videos. I do have other train videos. Not that many interesting things. Mostly Hot Wheels, you know that, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and all that good stuff, and conventions and whatnot. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, folks. Bye-bye now.